Hey everyone, what's going on? Eli here from Deep Discounts Club. Today I'm bringing you a look at this FOTING Q2007 0.25 horsepower pump for water. As you can see, there's the specifications. Basic 115 volt cable. It's a 25-foot cable, and then max flow rate of 1215 gallons per hour. Max temperature of 95 degrees Fahrenheit, so well within whatever you'd want to use this for. 16-foot shutoff, and this thing really packs a punch. It looks very nice. It comes with this adapter here for putting a hose on. Just simply wrap that around there and it'll stick quite well and ensure no water gets out. There's the FOTING branding right there, and 25-foot cable, so this thing can go quite far, reach over to wherever you want to use it, and really suck out water fast. So let's see how this thing works. So as you can see, it's sucking that water out, and it took the water out of there very quickly. Literally just a matter of a couple seconds, this thing emptied. So you can see just how fast it works. This thing has a little water inside, but yeah, that's a strong impeller right there. It really gets the job done. I highly recommend it. Thanks for watching.